At times when you on your system, you want to perform a little task, and sometimes you find out that the system doesn't boot faster, and you want to perform a task within some minutes, within some couple of time, and the system is frustrating your work. It doesn't boot faster. So it does not boot faster because most of the times it's because of the startup programs are enemies. So you need to disable some of the startup programs. The only one that you leave, I think, it should be a necessary one like antivirus that will be allowed to boot at the booting stage. Otherwise, some will be left out. When the system boots, you launch them at your will. So in today's lecture, I'm going to teach you how you can disable that, how you can make your system run or start faster. So well, my name is Mike Tibello, and I will be your guide. So what you need to do is to tap on your startup menu. Then you type ms config, and you see system configuration app. You hit enter. Now you can see general, boot services, startup, then term. Then you click on startup. This is where the startup programs are. Then you click on task manager. Now whenever you start your computer, in the case of mine here, these are the programs that starts up. Whenever I boot my PC, then this program loads during the loading stage. So most of them are enabled. So we need to disable those that are not important, and those that are important, we leave them. Now, as you can see, we have Wondershare Studio. Why do I need it enabled at the booting stage? Why? Windows Update. Do I really need it? Security. I don't need this. Let me start disabling them. Click, and you click on disable here. It's disabled. Then Wondershare. I don't need it. Disable it. Then Windows security notification. Yes, let me leave it. Then update this. I don't need okay, this disabled already. Adobe update startup utility, no, just disable it. Avast, yes, leave it. BlueStack, want to disable it, disabled. Cortana, leave Cortana. Driver, we need driver to load. Then HK CMD module, NetFrame, this Microsoft OneDrive, disable it. NCH, leave it. Microsoft Registry Server, I want to make sure most of them are disabled, those that are not important. disable. Disable this. Don't need this on this startup stage. Okay, look up Windows security notification. Edit. Synaptic touchpad. Yes, we need it. Skype, no. Okay, it's disabled already. Now you can now click after this. Now you can now go back. Okay, you can now click on OK. And for this to be applied, you need to restart your system, then the system will be able to load faster. So thank you for watching and see you next time.